Hey guys, this mount up gas tank had to trim some off the gas cap because it was too tall, and I didn't want to take the engine mount things off. I could lowered it down and bolted it directly to the frame, but there's an engine thing down there, see? Which I think's the dampeners, so it ain't that. Shakes the crap out of the tractor, but works now, and plus, I hate to do that because that was the probably original gas cap, but made it work. Built some parts. Gonna do some more welding on there. Um, Engine ain't bolted down. I put the hood on. It sits nice and flat now. Gotta wait till that dries up, then do the other side and go from there. But I gotta cut some holes down there to move the engine more this way. I think it needs to go more that way, actually. Yeah, more that way. So it lines up that pulley, because that's the transmission pulley. That is the mower deck pulley. I got to order some parts for the inside of the engine. It's almost unseized. It spins like halfway, then locks up again. But I might put a new crank and piston in it. I don't know yet, but that's for it, guys. Thanks for watching.